Hello. In this video we will cover the customer journey workshop and what is needed for the FCA application. What is the customer journey? Understanding the customer journey is important to all firms, not just those who need to evidence to the regulator that they are treating customers fairly, TCF. To understand the journey you must map out the end-to-end process. This helps you to identify all customer touchpoints and understand the potential key risks along the way. Compliance consultant will help you by conducting the workshop and helping you with the following. 1. Representation of the journey, A. Business model, B. Screenshots, C. Other graphical presentation methods. 2. Key partners, A. Outsourced partners, B. What activities not to outsource. 3. Key activities, A. How to write them clearly, B. What happens if you fail to identify them all. 4. Key resources, A. Why it is important to demonstrate, B. 4 important categories to include, C. Key resource pathways. 5. Value proposition, A. Feature your competitive advantage, B. Types of value proposition, C. How to show your value proposition and D. Benefits of the value proposition. 6. Customer segmentation, A. Building avatars of your customers, B. Types of segmentation. 7. Distribution channels, A. Critical functions, B. Types of channels, C. How to prioritize. 8. Customer relationships, A. Advertising and getting prospects, B. Engaging and connecting, C. Types of business relationships and D. Keeping and growing your relationships. 9. Cost structure and revenue streams, A. Types, B. Key resources and significant expenses, C. Why it is key to identify these, D. Determining the most appropriate structure and E. Building margins into your business model in a scalable way. These points may need to be fleshed out as much as possible for you to demonstrate that you have the customer at the heart of everything, and your various risks become apparent as you walk through. Don't forget compliance consultant can be called on 0207-097-1434 to discuss your needs. You know that you need a full and thorough application to the regulator. Compliance consultant are all about giving extra value and helping to give you the best chance of getting approved quickly. Don't forget we also give you free training. Look out for the next email, or sign up today. Click the link back to our offer page now. Get over £27,000 value for less than half the price. And start getting your application completed today. See you in the next video.